Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, your premier destination for cultivating exquisite outdoor spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're looking up for inspiration as we dive into the wonderful world of hanging indoor houseplants. Do you ever feel like your plant collection is taking over your shelves and tabletops? Or perhaps you're craving more greenery, but running out of horizontal space. That's where the magic of hanging indoor houseplants comes in. They're not just plants, they're living art installations that elevate your decor, bring life to forgotten corners, and create a lush, inviting atmosphere in any room. So what do we mean by hanging indoor houseplants? We're talking about plants specifically chosen for their graceful, trailing, or cascading habits, displayed in containers that are suspended from the ceiling, walls, or even from shelves. It's about utilizing vertical space to introduce greenery, adding depth, texture, and a dynamic flow that ground-level plants simply can't achieve. Think of them as natural chandeliers or living curtains, transforming ordinary spaces into extraordinary green havens. The benefits of incorporating hanging indoor houseplants are truly immense. Here are some of them. First, space saving. This is a big one. Hanging plants free up valuable floor and shelf space, making them perfect for smaller apartments or rooms where you want maximum greenery with minimum clutter. Second, visual interest and depth. They add an incredible layer of visual interest, drawing the eye upwards and making rooms feel taller and more expansive. The trailing foliage creates beautiful natural lines and textures. Third, unique decor. They act as living decor, adding a unique, organic, and always evolving element to your interior design that no static art piece can replicate. Fourth, improved air quality. Like all houseplants, they help filter the air, removing toxins and releasing oxygen, contributing to a healthier indoor environment. Fifth, reaches new heights. They allow you to bring plants into spaces where they might not otherwise fit, like in front of a window, in a stairwell, or above a cozy reading nook. Sixth, pet-friendly. For pet owners, hanging plants can be a great way to keep certain plants out of reach of curious paws and mouths. Hanging houseplants add a decorative, yet alive, element to any room. They're also extremely useful when every tabletop, windowsill, and bookshelf is already covered with plants. We've gathered 23 of the best hanging houseplants for every plant enthusiast. A plant with interesting shapes and textures and a trailing habit that is easy to care for, relatively lightweight, and adaptable to indoor growing conditions makes a good hanging plant. Visit garden centers and read care guides to find the best selections for your light and temperature conditions. Spider plants, pothose, tradescantia, and Boston ferns are great hanging houseplants for beginners. One, spider plant. One of the easiest to grow and most popular hanging houseplants, spider plants, produce long, slender, gently arching leaves. Mature plants regularly send out long stems that bear small, star-shaped flowers that can become tiny plantlets that ultimately grow roots and can be snipped off to create new hanging plants. 2. Golden pothose. Golden pothose is a perfect starter hanging plant. It grows vigorously with minimal care. The trailing stems can reach more than 20 feet with large, mottled greenish-yellow leaves. Stems can be snipped at a nodule and placed in water to easily root. 3. Tradescantia nanook. If you love the trailing habits of green and silver or green and purple tradescantias, Tradescantia nanook showcases green leaves sporting stripes of cream and pink with purple undersides. Snip a stem below a nodule and it will root in a glass of water to make a new plant. 4. Christmas cactus. Even when a Christmas cactus is not in bloom, it is a texturally interesting hanging plant. Then when the bright blooms appear in late fall or winter, the show is spectacular. The name is a bit of a misnomer. This is not a desert cactus but one originating from the rainforest. If you want blooms for other seasons, look for Thanksgiving cactus and Easter cactus specimens. 5. Boston fern. Boston ferns are a classic hanging houseplant that can live for years. They prefer low light so they work well in many spaces including humid bathrooms. The fronds are sword-shaped and blue-green in color. The fern grows quickly when it is young and the fronds reach up to 4 feet long when it is mature. 6. English ivy. English ivy, Heterohelix, Thrives as an outdoor ground cover, but also as a hanging houseplant. The deep green, thick, intricately shaped leaves on trailing stems are the stars of the show. It does well in low-light areas without much care. 7. Donkey's tail. Call it burro's, donkey's, or lamb's tail. This popular succulent makes a stunning hanging houseplant. It has rows of fleshy, blue-green, teardrop-shaped leaves on trailing stems that can reach up to 4 feet long in 6 years' time. Though it rarely blooms indoors, red or pink flowers can emerge in late summer. 8. Enjoy pothose. Enjoy has stunning, tender, white and green variegated pothose leaves that twist and turn on the trailing stems. As easy to grow as golden pothose, it is a good choice for beginners. The plant does well with dappled light, high humidity, and warm temperatures, perfect for a houseplant. 9. Orchid. Orchids perform well as hanging houseplants because they grow well in a lightweight medium, require infrequent watering, and are breathtaking when in bloom. Ranging from miniature to large cattleya orchids, you're sure to find the perfect orchid for your home. 10. String of pearls. The tiny pea-shaped leaves on trailing stems make string of pearls an attractive hanging houseplant. This plant grows quickly, adding 5 to 15 inches per year. As a succulent, it loves full, bright light and needs less water than other plants. It is not a long-living plant but is easy to propagate, so you'll never be without a string of pearls. 11. Neon pothose. If you like bright colors, the neon pothose offers bright, eye-catching green leaves. It is as easy to care for as other pothose, making it a good starter plant for beginner houseplant enthusiasts. 12. Maidenhair fern. While a maidenhair fern doesn't grow very large, the tiny fan-shaped leaflets clustered on arching black stems make it a beautiful hanging plant. They love a warm, humid environment to thrive. 13. Philodendron Rio. A natural philodendron mutation, the long, mature dark green leaves of Rio display streaks of silver and cream in the center. With a vining habit, this cultivar is an easy-to-care for hanging houseplant that thrives on neglect. 14. Satin pothose. With heart-shaped leaves dotted with silvery gray, satin pothose plants are eye-catching. It is a fast-growing vine that is easy to grow as long as it is kept in a warm, humid environment. 15. Spiderwort. With its bold colors and patterns, Tradescantia zebrina, often called spiderwort, is one of the most common hanging houseplants. The foliage is the star of the show, but spiderwort can produce small 3-petaled flowers. The plant grows rapidly and is easy to root in just a glass of water. 16. Sky plant. If you're looking for an unusual hanging houseplant, sky plant is a great choice. Part of the bromeliad family, this air plant has tentacle-like green bracts that turn red or pink in the center before flowers appear. It will bloom once in its lifetime with a small purple inflorescence. As an epiphyte, it requires no soil and can be attached to a natural base for hanging. 17. Marble Queen pothose. If you're looking for something more than the basic golden pothose, choose a Marble Queen pothose for its beautiful white, cream, and green variegated foliage. It thrives in bright, indirect light, moist but well-draining soil, and household temperatures and humidity. 18. Staghorn fern. All of the varieties of staghorn ferns are epiphytic plants that grow on other plants or objects like wooden boards or rocks. Since they are not parasitic, they don't need a plant for life support. They grow best in warm, humid areas and make a striking addition to your hanging houseplant collection. 19. String of hearts. The heart-shaped, fleshy leaves give this houseplant its common name. The leaves have a gray-green marbled pattern and grow on thin purple vines. An easy-to-care for houseplant, it is low maintenance, fast-growing, and long-lived. 20. Monstera adansonii. While not a traditional trailing plant, Monstera adansonii makes a striking hanging houseplant thanks to its unique foliage and sweeping stems. The Swiss cheese-like leaves have striking creamy white markings that can be small spots, streaks, or patches on the deep green leaves. Each shoot of new growth can produce a different leaf marking. 21. Heartleaf philodendron. The distinctive heart-shaped leaves give this plant its nickname of sweetheart plant. A good choice for a room with low light. Tired of green houseplants? Look for cultivars that offer unusual foliage colors. 22. Lipstick plant. Find a sunny window and a lipstick plant will reward you with bright red flowers and attractive vining foliage. You can even find different cultivars in your favorite lipstick shade. 23. String of bananas. String of bananas is a fun addition to your hanging plant collection. The bright green plump leaves look like tiny unripe bananas. Placed next to a warm, sunny window, it is a fast grower. Hanging indoor houseplants are a fantastic way to maximize your green space, add incredible beauty to your home, and enjoy the many benefits of living with plants. They offer endless possibilities for creative styling and can truly transform any room from ordinary to an urban jungle oasis. So go ahead, look up, and start envisioning how you can elevate your indoor garden.
You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down, you can do some more. Push past all the pain and you'll find a door. Open it up and finally explore everything that you thought you could never do before. And even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go, go.